Fatma and Aisha were two curious friends who loved exploring the woods. One day, while wandering deeper into the forest than they had ever gone before, they stumbled upon a mysterious golden door. The door was old and worn, with intricate carvings and symbols etched into its surface. As they stood in front of the door, they wondered where it might lead. To their surprise, a soft voice spoke to them. Where do you want to go? Fatma and Aisha looked at each other excitedly and said, The forest. The door creaked open and they stepped through it. In an instant, they found themselves in a dense forest, surrounded by tall trees and hungry animals. A lion spotted them and began to approach, its eyes fixed on them. Fatma and Aisha ran as fast as they could, but soon realized they were surrounded. An elephant charged towards them, and they had no choice but to run towards a nearby tree and climb up. Panting and scared, they looked at each other, thinking they were safe. But then a snake slithered out from the branches above and began to slide towards them. Aisha remembered a word written on the golden door, Horizon, and whispered it to Fatma. I have an idea to get us out of here, she said. Golden door, your need arisen. Come here. The door appeared before them. Where do you want to go? Fatma accidentally said, The ocean. And in an instant, they found themselves on the back of the massive blue whale, swimming in the open ocean. They were amazed but also frightened by the vastness of the sea. The whale suddenly dived deep into the water and they fell off, finding themselves face to face with a hungry crocodile. Terrified, they called out the golden door again. Come back, please. The door appeared and they said, We want to go home. The door creaked open and they stepped through it, finding themselves back in the forest where they had first found the door. Exhausted but relieved, they looked at each other and said, Never again. They realized that the mysterious door was not a toy and that they should be careful what they wished for. From that day on, they explored the woods with a newfound respect and appreciation for the beauty and the danger that lay within. In the forest, they faced even more challenges. Hungry animals like lions and elephants tried to attack them. They climbed a tree to escape, but a snake slithered out from the branches above. About the golden door, they said, it was like a double-edged sword. It took us to amazing places, but also put us in great danger. We are lucky to be alive. From that day on, they appreciated the beauty of their own home and the safety of their daily routine.